Well done, boys. We made our house very beautiful.
You got that right, Pablo. We even paint the whole living room. Isn't that awesome?
No, dude. We've been painting the whole entire living room about like 5 days.
Pedro, you do realize we've been painting the living room about like 5 hours and a half.
Whatever, dude. At least I've done my work.
Yeah, we sure work hard today.
Well, boys, since we're done working now, I guess you can all join your weekend.
Oh, that's great. Say, you guys want to go see movie theater?
Oh, sorry, lad. I can't go to the movie theater. I'm so tired. I really need to take a nap.
Oh, okay, Pablo. Say, Peter, you want to go see movie theater with me?
Of course, Perry. You're my best friend. We always hang out together.
Oh, that's good. Say, Pedro, you want to go see movie theater with us?
Going to the movie theater with you losers? No thanks. I'm gonna play my Nintendo Switch. See ya.
Okay, I guess that was no.
Don't worry, Perry. You got me. Come on, let's go watch the movie theater.
Oh, Peter, before you go, can I borrow your phone? I just need to use it to make the alarm clock.
Sure thing, Captain. Here you go. The password is 123321.
Thank you, Peter. I appreciate it.
Come on, Peter, hurry up. We're gonna miss the movie.
I'm coming, Perry. Alright, Pablo, I'll see you later.
Alright, lad. See ya. Now, it's time for me to take a nap. Ooh, I can't wait to go to sleep. I got my pillow and my blanket. Now I have to set up my alarm clock. Alright, I set my timer at 1 hour. Okay, now I have to turn on the lights. Alright, time to turn the light off. There, good as new. Finally. Now I have to have a peace and quiet. Time for me to go to bed.
Oh yeah, take that. In your face.
What?
Take that, dude. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be in first place.
What the heck is going on out there?
Out of my way, you big hairy gorilla. I'm gonna be in first place.
Oh my gosh. Pedro, what the heck are you doing?
I'm playing video game. Duh. Do you wanna play, boss?
No, I do not want to play your video game. In fact, give me that.
What are you doing? I was about to win the first place.
Well, that's too bad for you, because I was trying to get some sleep.
But what am I supposed to do, boss?
Pedro, just watch TV or something. I don't care. Oh, I can't wait to go to sleep. What the? Now what? Oh, where is that noise coming from? Oh, you had got to be kidding me. There, that should take care of the problem. Now it's time for me to go back to sleep. What the? Who's squeaking? Is that a mouse? Go away, you stupid mouse. I'll try to get some sleep. Is it just me, or am I having a bad day? I just want to get some sleep. Ugh. You had got to be kidding me. Now what? Pedro, will you keep me down? I'm trying to get some sleep. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. There. Now I can finally go to sleep. Oh my gosh, what have I done? Is he okay?
Dang, girl. I like when you throw books at me.
Yep, he's alright. Ugh. Finally, I can finally go to sleep. What? What? No, it can't be. No, no, my nap time is over. No, why? Why?